Yo, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I'm doing with the car. 1 week before Wicked Big Meet, got the Gas Monkey shirt ready to go to work today. Got one of my friends, Boostin05, coming over to help out, kind of finish this up. I just want to touch base with you. A lot of people have been asking me about what's been going on with the car. As you see, the wheels are off of it, car's on jack stands. I got a fender liner out over here. I actually got the engine bay somewhat back together. You guys didn't see this, but this was all torn apart. The AOS back here had an issue with the washers on the bottom were like a steel washer and they were leaking. So I finally got Radium, got in contact with them. They sent me out some new polyurethane bushings, which hopefully that holds. So I tightened them in there, torqued it to 25 pounds. Hopefully no more issues. I got this beautiful Killer Bee reservoir that is supposed to replace this guy with this. Very nice piece. As you know, I'm a big Killer Bee guy. I've got their spoolinator kit. Really wanted to get this in there before Wicked Big Meet, just to get another little piece of show quality. Over here, part of the reason why this car's been off the road for so long, you see the fuse box ripped out. And no battery, no washer tank. So what we're doing is we move the battery from the front to the rear of the car, which I'll show you. Now, in regards to all of this, we are also doing a air ride setup. Yep, that's right, Airlift Performance 3P kit. And what we're doing is also have the whole interior ripped out, as you can see. So I'm really trying to make this thing, obviously, originally bought the car with the intent to track it. With the low miles on it, kind of just decided to keep it and end up building a show car, enjoyment car, take it out on Sundays, cruise, makes a lot of power, it's a lot of fun. Instagram's right up there if you want to go back and see some other photos. I haven't posted anything good on there in a while, so this is the most in-depth video, just to give you an idea. No fender liner in here, no washer tank, and this is crunch time, guys. I mean, I got a week until Wicked Big Meet. There's one of the struts. So this has been one of the focal points, and what we're trying to do is we actually ran the airline. Can't really see because it's a little dark, but it's actually sitting right up here right now. Here's the quick connect. So we were trying to come up with an idea. I actually ran the airlines to the inside of the car to prevent any type of issues with if the car goes up on the lift or anything like that from possibly getting damaged underneath the car. The rears we did run underneath, but pretty nifty. Got it threaded through here. Nice little rubber gasket on the inside of these cars that we're able to use. So kind of trying to figure that out. Not really having much success right now. I think I'm going to have to redo this today and finally get it done. On the inside, if you ever wanted to see what a car completely gutted looks like, here you go. There's literally nothing in here. That laying on the floor is a fuse for the air ride. This is a controller cord right here. Right there. And got the harnesses back tucked there for the airlift. Put the seat rails in and have the airlines running through there. So just give you a nice quick oversight of what this thing looks like on the inside. But I really want it to be clean, badass, you know, complete fitment. Really working on trying to make it perfect. In the back, we're going to run some of the extra wires in here. Just give you another aerial view of the interior of the car. And if you guys didn't know, there is a secret compartment where your intercooler sprayer would have been, and which now the battery is mounted back here. So anyway, I figured that was pretty cool. Kind of got it hidden away. There's this little cap right here, and I'll actually have a battery tender hooked up, so I can just open this up, plug the battery tender in with the quick connect, and charge the battery whenever I need to. It's a dry cell Optima red top. Over here is the two compressors, the tank, the airlift, the modular. I got the seats, the subfloor. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen the subfloor on there, all nice and done. So that was some progress that we made. Got the workbenches over here, some bolts, nuts. One of the things I'm really focusing on with putting the car back together and the build was also the interior. Actually went out and got a original factory sub interior trim piece for the shifter, and these are the black STi limited dials that we're going to plug in tonight on the inside. New gas cap, not gas cap, but fuel lever door release. Got a new trunk release, got new black STi limited carpet as well over there. So hopefully able to get this thing done and make it up to Wicked Big Meet. And I'll do another video and post that up as soon as the car is on the ground, so to speak, and the air is finished getting hooked up here. Give you a quick little undershot of the belly pan. There you go. All right, guys, shoot you a video once this thing's on the ground and we're rolling. Later.